Fibre optic installation, maintenance and repair skills. Training 26th, 30th, 2025. This training is open to all interested individuals, and we encourage you to take this opportunity to upskill or transition into the exciting world of fibre optics. This comprehensive training program is designed to equip participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to become competent fibre optic technicians. The training will cover both theoretical and practical aspects of fibre optic technology, including fibre optic cable installation, splicing, termination, testing, and troubleshooting. Participants will learn about the fundamentals of fibre optics, types of fibre optic cables, connectors, and their applications, as well as safety precautions and best practices for handling fibre optic cables. The training will also cover the use of specialized equipment such as fusion splicers, crimpers, and optical time domain reflectometers. The course duration is 5 days, starting from May 26th to May 30th, 2025, with each day consisting of both morning and afternoon sessions. The total cost of the training is 38,000 Kenya shillings, which covers all the training materials and certification exams. To book your place on this training, kindly WhatsApp any of the following numbers to request the link for the booking form: +2547255792251, 22547387372. Whether you are a student, a professional, looking to switch careers, or an entrepreneur interested in fibre optics, this training is an excellent investment in your future. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of the growing fibre optic industry. We look forward to welcoming you to the training. The training will be conducted by our team of highly experienced trainers who are not only certified, but also have extensive practical experience in the field. The training is designed to equip participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to confidently install, maintain, and repair fibre optic systems. The course is suitable for a wide range of professionals, including telecom technicians and network installers, IT professionals responsible for managing fibre networks, electrical engineers and freelancers, as well as maintenance teams in ISPs, data centers, and enterprises. Additionally, students and entrepreneurs interested in networking will also benefit from this training. No prior fibre optic experience is required, and basic understanding of networking is helpful, but not mandatory. By the end of this training, participants will be able to understand the fundamentals of fibre optic communication. By the end of this training, participants will be able to understand the fundamentals of fibre optic communication, handle and install fibre optic cables safely, perform splicing, fusion and mechanical, master termination techniques, perform optical loss testing and troubleshooting, and follow industry best practices for maintenance and repair. We will cover essential topics such as types of fibre optics, single mode versus multi-mode, fibre optic cable construction and specifications, safety precautions, fibre optic cable installation, fusion splicing, mechanical splicing, connector types and their applications, polishing and inspection techniques using a microscope. Furthermore, we will teach you how to measure optical power using a power meter, use an OTDR to analyze fibre optic networks, identify breaks, bends and connector issues, and adhere to certification standards such as TIA EIA and ISO IEC. We will also discuss preventive maintenance strategies, emergency restoration techniques, and real-life case studies of common failures and their fixes. Lastly, we will explore emerging trends in fibre optics, including FTTH deployments, high-density fibre networks in data centers, and the future of fibre optics in 5G, IoT, and smart cities. To ensure a thorough learning experience, we will include live cable termination and connectorization, fusion splicing demonstrations, OTDR and power meter testing, and simulated field repair scenarios. We highly encourage you to book your spot early, as training is on a first-come, first-serve basis. We look forward to welcoming you to the training and equipping you with the skills and knowledge to excel in your career. Are you ready to dive into the world of fiber optics? Join us for our intensive 5-day training program, equipping you with the essential skills for fiber optic installation, maintenance, and repair. This hands-on training will cover everything from basic theory to practical application, preparing you for a career in this exciting field. Module 1: Fundamentals of Fiber Optics. Introduction to fiber optic communication. Types of fiber optics: single mode, multi-mode, fiber optic cable construction and specifications, safety precautions, laser safety, handling, glass, fibers. Module 2: Fiber optic cable installation. Prerequisites, planning and route assessment, cable pulling techniques, aerial, underground, indoor, bend radius and tension limits, conduit, trays and duct installation. Module 3: Splicing and termination. Fusion splicing, hands-on practice, mechanical splicing, connector types, LC, SC, ST, MTP, MPO, polishing and inspection, microscope use. Module 4: Testing and troubleshooting. Optical power measurement, dBm, dB loss, OTDR, optical time. Domain reflectometer operation, identifying and fixing breaks. Module 5: Maintenance and repair. Cleaning and inspection, best practices, emergency restoration techniques. Case studies of common failures and fixes. Module 6: Emerging trends. FTTH, fiber to the home deployment. High-density fiber networks, data centers. The future of fiber optics, 5G, IoT, smart cities. Hands-on, practical sessions. Hands-on, practical sessions. Live cable termination and connectorization. Fusion splicing demonstrations. OTDR and power meter testing. Simulated field repair scenarios. This training is your gateway to a rewarding career in fiber optics. Whether you're a technician, engineer, or project manager, we've got you covered. Don't miss out. Register now and secure your spot. For any further information or clarification, feel free to reach out to us through the contact information provided. Thank you and see you at the training. For any further information or clarification, feel free to reach out to us through the contact information provided. Thank you and see you at the training.